Hey guys, today we have this 2007 Lexus RX350. Here you go. They have two keys, however the other one stopped working, so we're gonna check it if it's the battery or what. But if not, we're gonna go ahead and program it back to the car. All right, let's get started. Okay, the first thing we're gonna do is make sure it's the right key. This is the one with the keys, extra keys. That's the one, it's the working key. So if you lock, it works. Unlock works. So both of them locks and unlocks. However, it said it does not start the car. So let's verify the problem. It's this one. Check this out. Oh, this one doesn't start the car. This one here does not start the car, and this one will start the car with no problem. All right, so what we're gonna do is let's leave that on, turn off the engine. Let's connect this. We're gonna be using the Autel IM508. So let's connect the OBD here. Check it out. Let's see. I can get it connected here. There you go. That's connected. So what we're gonna do is come out here, on position, as you can see. So let's go to MMO, emo, press accept, and then let's go auto detect on the VIN. Sometimes that's faster to do that way, but if not, we have to go to the Lexus. There you go. It's Lexus Asia, and it reads the VIN number, so pretty good. Press OK. So that is good to go. Then it's crazy. This one says RX330. It's fake. Guy, fake it. It said RX330. Yeah, I'm gonna show the customer here. Let's check it. Yeah, this is a fake RX. Look, RX330. Yeah,
RX330 to RX ano siya?
350.
Wow.
So a badge is the fake one. But it says 330 VIN number. Check the VIN number. Alright guys, but anyway, we're gonna go ahead and program it. So be careful guys when you buy a car. It tells you in the badge that it's a different car. So let's go to emo status scan. First we're gonna check if the engine light or any something wrong with the car. Because if something wrong with the car, it's gonna have a problem to program the key. So right now everything is green. It looks good. So it does say two keys, but the other one doesn't work. But this is the one doesn't work. We're gonna go ahead and program it again. So nothing wrong with the car. Everything is green. So let's go add key guided. So we're gonna go start. Performing, as you can see, it says performing. Insert the learn master key and turn the ignition to on. So this is the learn master key, the working key, on position. Press OK. There you go. Remove the key, insert the learn into the lock. Remove the key, then put it back just to lock. Do not move it. That's it. And then it went through, succeeded. And we can go. Here we go. We go start again. So that one, I need to put the this key. Turn the key on. Put it on. Press OK. So I have to put the second key, not that one. I'm gonna do it again. Remove it. Then put the key that doesn't work, put it in just to the lock position, and that's there you go, succeeded. So we're gonna go escape. So let's go ahead and try it. This is the key that doesn't work. That one still didn't work. Okay, let's try it again. Try the key that works. So that one works. Let's try it one more time. Let's add one more key. Which one works?
Yeah.
This one works? I'm not sure. No, this one doesn't work. So I got confused. I think which one is working. This one works. Put it on. Let's start it. Okay, performing. Insert the learn key to turn on and press OK. So this is the on. That's the working key. OK. Performing. Remove the key. Insert the key that needs to be learned. Oh, this one. Put it in on. Do not turn in on position. Wait for 75 seconds. So just leave it there. I think I got confused which one is working and not working. So there's a 51-second left to program it. Go. Let's wait. Let's try if I can close the door. Right. Okay. A while ago, it takes so quick that it says it's success, but this one taking a while. It's still reading. As you can see, the green light here is still blinking. That means it's communicating to the car. So we're just gonna trust the process, make sure it's in. The battery voltage is pretty good. It's 12 volts, so nothing to worry about right now. There you go. It says succeeded. Let's try it. We'll see. Let me go ahead, open the door and close it. Let's see if I'll start the car. You know what? Let's try the original first if it works. This is the original one. Okay, original works. No problem. No lights. This moment of truth. Let's try the one. Oh yeah. See, it takes sometimes takes a while to identify it. But right now, a while ago when we did it, I think in 10 seconds they said successful, but it didn't work. But we did it again, and this one took like about a minute. So that one works. Let's try it one more time. So that's the one we just programmed. Starts with no problem. See, no lights. Lights is good. You check sometimes the original one is disconnected, but so that is good. All right, guys, and let's check if it's locked. That one still works. Lock and unlock, and let's try the other one. Lock and unlock still. Awesome. All right, guys, hope you like that video. I'll show you how it's done. No cut. Unsuccessful at first, but don't get disappointed. You'll get it done. Trust your programmer. All right, guys, so this is the 2007 Lexus. Apparently it's RX330, as you can see, but it says 350 in the car. So anyway, hope you like that video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Till next time. Thank you, guys.